Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class, I have done up to 9A or to say exercise 9A up to question number 10. So up to question number 10 of exercise 9 has been done. Now I shall start from what? Question number 11. Okay. So increase rupees 80 by 5%. Increase what? Rupees 80 by what? 5%. So how to solve this one? You see, right solution. Amount of increase. Question number 80 by 5%. Rupees 80 by 5%. Amount of increase. Increased will be 5% of 80. 5% of rupees 80. So will be what? 5 by 100 into what? 80. Now cancel. 0 0 5 1 jar 5 5 2 jar 10 2 1 jar 2 2 4 jar 8. It is what? 4. It is what? Rupees 4. Okay, it is what? Rupees 4. Rupees 4. Okay. Now what? Now increased amount. Now what? Therefore increased amount. Therefore increased amount will be what? Increased amount will be original amount. How much? 80. Original amount. Okay, plus what? Original amount plus increase. Plus increase. How many increase? Amount of increase. It will be what? 80 plus 4. Rupees 80 plus 4. It will be what? Rupees 84. Rupees 84. Okay. So this is how what? Rupees 80 by 5% is what? Increased. It is what? 84%. Okay. Now come to question number 3. 120 by 1 by 3%. Okay. Sorry, you do question number 4. It is same. If I solve question number 4, then you can do all. This is what? Just you break the fraction, then you can do. Okay. So come to question number 4. So this is what element Roman 1. Now what? Roman 4 we shall solve. What? 44 by 2.5. 44 by 2.5%. 44 by what? 2.5%. Okay. So 44 by 2.5%. So right. Number increased equals to, right? Number increased. Number increase equals to what? Number increased equals to radio. Right. 2.5 by of 44. Okay. So this one how we can do? 2.5 by 100 into what? 44. Okay. So what? Now we can solve. So 2.5 by 100, okay, into what? 44. So this one you can omit like this, 2.5, that means what? 25 by what? 10 divided by 100, it will be what? 25 by 10, this, and that will come here. What you can do, divided by what? 100. So 25 by 100 into 1 by 100. You can do like this, what? 25 by 10 into 100. Okay, because of what? Because of this 2 point. Okay, now you can cancel. 4 1 jar 25 1 jar 25, 25 4 jar what? What? 25 4 jar 100, 4 1 jar 4, 4 4 11 jar what? 44. So remain what? 11 by 10. So that is what? 1.1. okay, it is what? 1.1. So it is what? 1.1. Now what? Now we need to check what? Increase. Now write increased number. Therefore increased number equals to what? Original was how much? 44 plus what? 1.1. It will be what? 44 plus what? 1.1, 0. Okay, so 1 4 4 plus 1 5 4 45.1. okay, so question number 11 4. So what? Now you check what? So if you add, you will get what? 45.1. okay, so that is the what? Answer. Now what? Now same what? Decrease. So decrease what? Just the opposite of what? What to say? Question number 11. What? Question number 12 is what? The opposite of question number 11. 400 by 25%. So 400 by 25%. So how to do? See, question number 12. So question number 12, you see. So question number 12, what is there? 400 by 25%. 400 by 25%. 400 by 25%. Okay. 400 by 25%. So right, number increased. Number increase will be what? 25% of 400. So it will be 25 by 100 into what? 400. So cancel 0 to be what? 100. Okay, 100. Now what? Now what? Increased. Now what? Decreased. Now write decreased. Number decreased. Number decreased. Number decreased will be what? Original number minus, you see, number decreased. That decrease. So original minus decrease. So original is what? 400. So minus what? Decrease how much? 100. Okay. So it will be what? 300. So that is the what? Answer. Okay, so these things all are same. Okay, just you apply this. Okay, so you can able to do. Okay, so 11 and 12, these all are same. Okay, so you can practice. Now come to question number 20. That is what? High order thinking skills. So what if 5% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2, then find the what? Number. So what if what? 5% of 40 is greater than 25% of a number by 2, then find the what? Number. So what? We don't know the number, so we shall let it what? X. Then we shall find what? 25% of 40 and 25% of a number, that means what? 25% of X. Then according to question what? This 25%, since what? 15% of 40 is greater, so 15% of 40, the number what will come from that will subtract what? 25% of the number X. Okay, then we'll give what? 2. See how. So see question number 20. Okay, so write, let the number be what? X. Okay, therefore write 15% of 40, therefore 15% of 40 will be what? 15 by 100 into what? 40, cancel, then 5 3 jar 5, 2 jar 2, 2 jar, it is what? So what? 15% of what? 15% of 40, it will be what? 3 2 jar 6, it is what? It is what? 6, sorry, 6. Okay, now what? Now and what? And what? 25%. Yes, 25% of X will be what? 25 by 100 into what? X. It is what? 25 X by what? Or you can do like this: 25 1 jar 25, 25 4 jar, so X by 4. So it will be what? X by 4. Okay, X by 4. So it will be what? X by 4. Now what? Now according to question what? According to question, the greater number is what? 15% of X. So from 6, if I subtract, that is what? It is said that the 15% of X is greater than 25% of a number. Greater means what? By 2. Greater than 25% of a number by 2. That means what? From greater number, if I subtract the smaller number, then I shall get what? 2. Because in the question it is given that what? If 15% of 40 is greater than what? 25% of a number by 2. That means what? The difference of these two number is given what? 2. So for that reason we are subtracting the greater number. Okay. From greater number you are subtracting the what? Smaller number. That is what? X by 4. And the difference is given what? 2. It is what? According to question. So now we can find what? X. So if I take LCM 4, 24 minus X, it is what? 2. Okay. So now cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, then I shall get what? So 24x equals to what? 8. Okay, if I cross multiply, then what? If I keep this one, then x equals to what? So what? So what? X will be what? 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24. Okay, here minus x. So minus x equals to what? 24 minus what? 8 should be what? So here will be 16. Okay, minus 16 because of minus 24. So from this what? Minus minus will get cancelled. So x will be what? 16. So this is the what? Required number. Therefore, the required number equals to what? 16. Therefore, the what? Required number equals to what? 16. Okay, so I think this is the end of exercise 9A. Now come to exercise 9B. Okay, so you see 9B. So fill in the blanks. What? Number 1, 23% plus 47% dash what equals to what? 100%. That means what? Which will make what? 100%. So obviously this thing is very easy. You have done. So obviously what? If we add what? 30% with that, then we'll what? Then we shall get what? 100%. Okay. Then number 2 also, 100% minus how many percent equals to what? 54%. So obviously what? 46. So these things very easy to do. Okay. So question number 9 do you see? So just I am writing the answer. This is nothing but plus minus. Small class plus minus lower classes. Okay. So here you see 9B, exercise 9B. Okay. So what? Question number 1. So just I am writing the answer, because 23 plus 47% is what? 70. So with 70, if I add 30%, then I shall get what? 100. So just I am writing what? Answer 30%. Okay. And number 2 will be what? 46%. 46%. Okay. Then number 2, 18% of 650 boys in a school take commerce. How many boys take commerce? Okay. So write number 2. So what? 18% of 650 boys in a school take commerce. Number 2. So given total numbers of boys goes to what? 650. Okay. Now what? How many boys take commerce? So write number of boys take commerce will be what? 15% of total number of students. Total numbers of student will be what? 15% of what? 650. That is what? 15 by 100 into what? 650. Okay. Now cancel this 0. Okay. Now cancel this one. 5 3 jar 15, 5 2 jar. Okay. So what? 15% of what? 650. Not 15 actually, it was 18%. Sorry, 18% of what? 650. 18% of 650. Okay. So what? 18% of 650. It is what? 18 by 100 into what? 650. Okay. So 0 0 cancel. Okay. 5 2 jar 10 and 5 1 jar 5, 5 3 jar 15. Okay. 2 9 jar what? 18. Okay. 117. Okay. 9 into 13 is what? 117. The 117 write you students. Answer. Okay. Now come to question number 3. In a certain grill contains what? 12% of protein. How many grams of protein is there in what? 14 gram of what? Package. In a 14 gram of what? Package. So it is what? Same. Okay, so right, so amount of protein present in 14 gram of package will be what? So question number 2, right? 3. Right, amount of protein, amount of protein amount of protein present in 14 gram of package will be equals to what? 12% of 14, 12% of 14 equals to what? 12 by 100 into what? 14. Okay, 12 by 100 into what? 14. How can sir? 6 to jar 50, then what? With 3 to jar 25. Okay, so what? So 3 into 14 by 25, it will be what? 42 by 25. Now what you take in mixed fraction? Okay, so if I do it is a mixed fraction, it will be what? 25 divided by what? 42. 25 banja 25. Okay, so here what? 12, 7. Here what mean? 2. So what? 2, 3. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. 17 not possible. So give 1 point and take 1 0. Okay. Six 50. Okay, so here what? 20 point is there, you can bring what? 0. Then what with 8? It will be what? 200. Okay, so it will be what? 1.68 gram. Okay, now come to question number what? 4. There are 160 pages in a book. 15% of the pages have pictures on them. How many pages do not have pictures on them? So see what? In question number 4 it is given what? There are what? 60 pages in a book. Okay, so in a book there are what? 60 pages. So 15% of the pages have pictures on them. So what? 15% of the pages have what? Pictures on them. 15% of the pages have what? Pictures on them. How many pages do not have pictures on them? That means what? We need to find how many pages do not have what? Pictures on them. So write how to solve. You see. So see question number 4. Right. Total numbers of pages in the book equals to what? 160. Okay, 160. Okay, so total number of pages in the book, it is what? 160. Okay, now what? 15% of the pages have pictures on them. So write numbers of pages that have picture. So what 15% of the what 15% of the pages. So 15% of the total pages. So total pages is what 160. So actually what 15% of the pages, that means what 15% of the total pages. So total pages is what 160. So what 15 by 100 into what 160. Okay, so cancel 0 0. Okay, then what 5 2 jar. Okay, and 2 8 jar. So 5 3 jar. That is what 3 into 8 equals to what 24 pages. Okay, that means what 24 pages have pictures on them. Okay, so what 24 what pages have what pictures on them. Okay, now what how many pages do not have pictures on, how many pages what do not have pictures on them. So from total pages, if I subtract what 24, then I shall get what the numbers of pages which doesn't have what pictures. Now write pages, write numbers of pages do not have picture will be what 160 minus 24 pages to be what 10 minus 4 6, then here remain what 5 minus 2 it is 3 and 136 pages, 136 pages. So that is the what answer. So what is question number 5? When making a journey, I walked what 12% and ran 16% and rode on a scooter 28% of the total distance, and for the remaining part I traveled by bus. So how many kilometers did I traveled by bus if the total distance covered was what 50%? So how many distance what I traveled by what 50 kilometers. So how many distance what I traveled by bus. So what, so from the total distance, if I what subtract all the that is what I walked 12%, ran 16%, and by scooter what 20%, then I can find what the percentage of distance what I traveled by what bus, and from that what I can find what kilometers. So right, given total distance, so right, given total distance number 5, given total distance, so given total distance goes to how much 50 kilometers. Okay, so what distance covered by walking, right, therefore distance covered by walking to what 15%. Okay, then distance covered by running will be what given 16%. So here one thing you write percentage of distance, this one you write percentage of distance. Okay, then percentage of distance. Okay, now write percentage of distance covered by what, covered by scooter, SCOTTER, SCOTTER, scooter equals to what How much? 28%. 28%. Okay, 15, 12. By walking, what? How much? 12%. Then by running, 16. Okay, by walking, what? 12%. Okay, 12, 16 and 28. Then what? Then the remaining part I traveled by what? Bus. So write percentage of distance covered by bus will be what? 100%. From 100%, if I subtract 100%, what? 100 minus what? 12 plus 16 plus what? 28. 28%. Okay, so it will be what? 100 minus what? 6, 28, then 16, then 12. 8 plus 2, 10, 16. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. What? 56%. 56%. Okay, 56%. Okay, so 100 minus what? 56%. That is what? 4. Here remain what? 95. This is what? 44. Okay, 9 minus 5. Okay, it is what? 44%. Now what? Now how many kilometers did I traveled by bus? So write the distance traveled by bus equals to, now write distance traveled by bus, distance traveled by bus equals to what? Distance traveled by bus will be what? 44% of what? 44% of total distance, that is what? 50. It will be what? 44 by what? 100 into what? 50. Okay, so 51 are 50, 52 are 100, 2 1 are 2, 222 are what? 44. Okay, 222 are 44. That is what? 22 kilometers. It is what? Answer. 22 kilometers. Now come to question number 6. Out of every 20 vehicles, a certain spot 7 were buses. What percentage of this? What percentage was this? So what? Out of 20 vehicles passing a certain spot, 7 were buses. So what? I need to what? Find the percentage of this. So right, therefore percentage of bus will be, therefore right, it is very easy. In one line you can complete. So right, percentage of bus so right, total number of vehicle, total numbers of what? Vehicles given. Total numbers of vehicles will be what? 20, and numbers of bus was equals to what? 7. Okay, therefore percentage of bus will be what? 7 by 20 into 100%. Okay, 7 by 20 into what? 100%. So 21 jar 20, 25 jar 100. So 7 into 5. Okay, so 7 into 5 what? 35%. Answer is what? 35%. Okay, so what is number 2? Out of 400 tickets sold at tennis match, 44 were sold to senior citizens. What percent of the tickets were sold to senior citizens? That is what you have to find the percent. And what percent were sold to the rest? So you see, it is very easy. So question number 6-2 you see. It is what 6-1. Okay. So 6-2. So 6-2 will be what? You see, out of 400 tickets. So write total number of tickets. So write number 2. Total numbers of tickets equals to what? 400. Equals to what? 400. So total numbers of ticket equals to what? 400. So what? 144 were sold to senior citizens. Okay. So numbers of ticket sold to senior citizen. Sold to what? Senior citizen. Senior citizen is what? 144. It is what? 144. Now what? Now we need to find the percentage of what? What percentage were sold to senior citizens? So right, percentage of tickets sold to senior citizen. Therefore, percentage of ticket sold to senior citizen. Senior citizen will be what? 144 by what? 400 into what? 100. Okay. So cancel if you 2 zeros. Then now what? 2 2s are 4. Okay. And this one what? If you cancel with 2, then 2 2s are 4. Okay. And here what? 7 2s are 14. And what? 2 2s are what? 4. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 remain 1. 2 6s are 12. 36%. 36% were sold to what? 36% were sold to what? Senior citizen. Now what percent were sold to rest? Right, numbers of ticket sold to rest will be what? So total minus this 400 minus what? 144. Okay, so will be what? 400 144 will be what? 10 minus 4 it is 6, 9 minus 4 it is 5. Okay, 4 minus 3 it is what? 4 minus 1 it is what? 3 minus 1 it is what? 2. 256. So 256 tickets. Now percentage of tickets. Therefore, percentage of tickets sold to rest will be what? 256 by 400 into what? 100%. Okay. Now what? Now you cancel it. So you can cancel like this 0 0 0 0. Okay. So you can cancel like this 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and 4 6 are 24. So you can cancel like this 4 6 are 24, remain 1 16, 4 4s are what? 16. So it is what? 64%. That is what answer? 64%. So now come to question number 7. You spend what? 7 1/2 hours of 1/2 hours out of 24 hours at school. What percent of a day is this? So what percent of day is this? So what you see? Question number 7. So question number 7 you see what? So first what? First you find what? Right, total hours equals to what? Total hours equals to what? 24 hours. So what? 24 hours. So out of what? 24, 7 hours where what percentage I need to find? So what? So what? First you write hours spent, you will write hours spent equals to what? 7 1 by 2 hours of 1 by 2 hours of total hours, that is what? 24 hours. 24 hours. 24. Okay, so like this you can write. So 7 to your what? 14. 7 to your what? 14. 15 by 2, 24. Okay, so it is what? Okay, so 15 into 2. Oh sorry, this one wrong. This one it should be like this. Hours spent, right? Percentage of hour. I need to find percentage of hour. Hour spent. You will, what percentage of hour spent will be what? 7 1 by 2 by 24 into what? 100%. Okay. Okay. So like this, I need to find what percentage of hours. So it will be what? 15 by 2 by 24. Okay, into what? 100. Okay, now I can find. So what? 15 by 2 how came? 7 to the 14 and 1 15. 15 by 2. Now what? So if I multiply this one, then it will go like this. 15 by 2 into what? The 24. If I divide like this, and then what? Like this, 15 by 2 divided by what? 24. So it will be 15 by 2 into what? 1 by 24. So it will be like this, 15 by 2 into 24. Okay, into what? 100. Okay, now cancel. 2 50s are. Okay, now this one what? We can cancel with like this. 12 2s are, 25 2s are. Okay, okay, 12 2s are and 25 2s are. Now this one 3 5s are with 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are what? 15. So it will be what? 5 into 25 by what? 4. Okay, 5 into 25 by what? 4. 5 into what? 25 by what? 4. Okay, so it will be what? 75 by what? Sorry, 75 not 125 by what? 4. 525 are what? 125%. Okay, percent. Now what? You just divide it. So if we divide, then what? 125 by 4. If we divide, then 4 3s are 12, remain 5. The 4 1s are 4, remain 1. Give 1 point, take 1 0. 4 2s are 8, remain 2. Point is there, put 1 0, 20. 4 5s are what? 20. It is what? 31.25%. So what? 31.25%. That is the what? Answer. 31.25%. What percentage of day is this? So one thing you write percentage of day equals to will be equals to what? This one. Why? Because we are going to find the percentage of day. So it is for this what? Out of 24 hours what? I have divided the what? Hours I spent. Okay. So how you see? Hours I spent equals to what? 7 1 by 2 out of 24 hours, because in one day there are 24 hours. So what? Into 100. So I found the answer. Now come to question number 8. Okay. So what is there? A certain alloy consists of 3 parts of tin to 5 parts of copper. Okay. What is the percentage composition of the alloy? What is the percentage composition of the alloy? So right, it is given what? A alloy consists of 3 parts to 5 parts of copper. Hint is given what? Ratio of tin to copper. So what? So I shall use what hint, that is what? Ratio of 3 to 5. So right, let the ratio of tin to copper, let the ratio of what? Tin to copper. So what? Let the ratio of tin to copper be 3:5. So right. Let the ratio of tin to copper. Question number 8. Let the ratio of tin to copper. Let the ratio of tin to copper equals to what? 3:5. 3 what? 3:5. Okay. Now we shall find what? Sum of the ratios. Therefore, sum of the ratios will be what? 3 plus 5. It will be what? 8. 3 plus 5. It will be what? 8. Now write what? Percentage composition of the tin. Therefore, percentage composition of the tin will be what? Close to 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8. Okay, into what? We have to find percentage. So 3 by 8 into what? 100. Okay, so now cancel. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 50 2s are 100. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 25 2s are 50. So it is what? 75 by 2. So 75 by 2 means what? Divide here. 2 3s are 6, remain 1. So 15. 2 7s are 14, remain 1. Point give 0. 2 5s are what? 10. So what? 37 point what? So first one will be what? 37.5. So it is what? 37.5%. Okay, 37 point what? 37.5%. Now what? I need to find the what? Copper. Therefore write composition of copper and percentage. So percentage you write fully. I am just giving symbol. Okay, percentage composition of the copper will be equals to what? Percentage composition of the copper will be what? 5 by 8 into what? 100. Okay, so what you do like this? 4 2s are 8, 50 2s are 2 2s are 25 2s are. Now what? 5 25s are what? 125. 125 by 2. 125 by what? 2. So what? 125 by 2 if you divide, then 2 6 are what? 12. Remain 5. 2 2s are 4. Remain 1. Point give 0. 2 5s are 10. So 62 point what? 62.5%. So it is what? 62.5%. 62 point what? 5%. 62.5%. 5%. Okay, 62.5%. Okay, what 5%. Now come to question number 9. So what a price of what muffin increases from 4 to 5? What is the percentage increase? So what is the percentage increase? What I need to find. So write what increase amount. Price of muffin increases from 4 to 5. So first you write increase amount equals to what? Question number 9. So write increase amount equals to what? Question number 9. Write increased amount equals to what? 5. What is given? 9. Yes, rupees 5. Rupees 5 minus rupees 4. It is what? Rupees 1. Therefore what is the percentage increases? So right, therefore percentage increased equals to will be what? 1 by total, 1 by what? 1 by original amount, that is what 4 was the original amount, into what? 100. So what? 425 just, so 1 into 25 equals to what? 25%. Equals to what? 25 equals to 25%. Okay. Now come to question number 10. Let me see question number 10. What is there? The numbers of people employed in a firm decreases 240 to 210. Find the percentage decreases. So these all are same. Okay. So find the what percentage decreases. So what? Employee. So right. Numbers of people. So what? Numbers of people decreases. So it is same like this. So write question number, it is what? 10. First you write numbers of people decreased. Numbers of people decreased will be what? Total numbers of decreased from what? Decreased from 240 to 200. 240 to what? 240 minus 210. So first you can write what to say total numbers of people was 240. So you can write this one. So it is what? It is what? 30 people. 30 people. Now what? I need to find what? Find the percentage what? Decreases. Now what? Find the percentage decreases. Therefore, question number 10. So what percentage? So it will be what? Percentage decreased. Decreased will be what? Out of 240, 30 what? Decreases into what? 100. Okay, percent. Now cancel this one. Okay. So what? This one with what? This one with 3 tens are, and this one with what? 3 eights are. Okay. Now again 4 twos are and 2 fives are. Okay. 2 twos are 4 and what? 2 fives are 10. Okay. So what? So what? Now what? It will be what? 55. Okay. 5 into 5 it is what? 55. Okay. So 55 equals what? 55. 5 into 5, 25. 25 by 2. So it will be what? Like this. If you take, then it will be what? Like this. 2. Oh, I need to take it what? Mixed fraction. So 25 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 5. 2 2s are 4. 1. Point give 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. It is what? 12.5. 12.5%. So it is what? 12.5%. Now question number 11. What is there? The speed of a train is 80 km per hour. It is increased to 130 km. Find the percentage. So same like question number 9 and 10. So question number 11 you do. And number 2 decrease to 65 km. Find the percentage decrease. So whatever in question number 9 and 10 I have done, it is exact like same, just the numbers are changed. You practice at your home. Okay. Now what? Question number. So question number 12. A 4-meter elastic band is increased by 10%. Find its what? New length. So write. What is there what? A 4%. A 4-meter elastic band is increased by 10%. Find its new length. That means what? An elastic band was there. Okay. So suppose this was an elastic band. So what? I increased what? I increased the elastic band up to 10%. Now what? Then what? If I increase 10%, then what? Then the length of the elastic band will be what? Increased. Okay. So the new length, whatever the new length after increasing 10%, whatever the new length I shall get, that should what? That what we need to find. Okay. And it is given in the question. So what? So first you write what? Original length was what? 4 centimeter, because it is given a length of a 4 meter, 4 centimeter, not 4 meter. So write question number 12. Question number 11 you practice, it is easy. It's like question number 9 and 10. Okay. So question number 12, what is there? Write original length of the elastic band equals to what? Original length of the elastic band was what? 4 meter. It is given what? 4 meter. Okay. Now what? Now, and the length increased equals to what? Length increased, that means what? Therefore length increased will be what? 10% of what? 10% of what? 10% of original length. 10% of original length has been what? Increased. So what? Length increased will be what? 10% of what? Original length. So now you see 10 by 100 into 4. So cancel this. Okay. So remain what? 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So it is what? 5 2s are what? 10. So now what? Now we cancel. Now you divide this one. 2. So I cannot divide. Put 1 0. So it will come what? 5 4s are 20. It is what? 0.4. That means what? 0.4. Okay. So 0.4 what? 0.4 what? 0.4 was increased. Okay. 10% of the total 10% of the original length increase what? 0.4%. Now what? We need to find the what? New length. So new length will be what? Original length. What? The new length will be what? Original length plus what? Increased length. So write. Therefore new length of the 0.4 meter. Okay, new length of the elastic band will be what? Original length plus what? Increased length. So original what? 4 plus increase what? 0.4. So if I add, then 4.4. Okay, meter. 4.4 what? Meter. Okay. Now come to question number 13. The length of a rope is what? Decreased by 12 1 by 2%. What is the new length if it was 150 meters? So it is what? Now it is what? Decreased. So it is what? Same like what? Question number 11.2. It is same. Okay, so you can do like this. Okay, let me say this one by mouth. Okay, first what? Length of the rope is decreased how much? 12 1 by 2% of what? 150. So that was what? Decreased. Okay, then what? From that we will find what? The decreased what? The decreased rope. Okay, then what is the new length if it was 150 meters? So Newton, so what? New length will be what? 150 meters minus what? Decreased what? Decreased length. So like this you can find. Okay, so question number 13 you practice. Okay, now come to question number 14. What? Monthly expenditure of a family on milk is what? Rupees 700. If the price of the milk is increased by 8%, find the increase in the expenditure of the family on milk. Okay, that means what? A monthly expenditure of a family on milk is what? Rupees 700. That means what? Monthly what? A person pays what? 700 for his what? Milk. If the price of the milk is increased by 8%, that is what? Now the price of the milk was what? Increased by 8%. That is, earlier it was 700, now what? 8% increased. Okay, find the increase in the expenditure of the family. Okay, so you write. So write monthly expenditure on milk will what? Rupees 700. So write question number 14. Monthly expenditure on milk by the family monthly expenditure on milk by the family is how much? Rupees what? 700. So what? Rupees 700. Okay, rupees what? Rupees 700. Now therefore what? Price of milk increased. Price of milk increased will be what? 8% of what? Rupees 700, because what? 700 is the what? Total. So write price of milk increased. Therefore write, therefore price of milk increased. Milk increased will be what? 8% of how much? Yes, 8% of 700. Okay, now 8 by 100 into what? Here you write rupees. Okay, rupees. So what? Rupees. So 8 into what? 700. So it is what? If I cancel, then 56 rupees what? 56. Okay, so what? Rupees 56. So a question is asked that what? Find the increase in the expenditure of the family on milk. Therefore the increase in the expenditure, therefore the increase in the expenditure on milk equals to what? rupees 56. Rupees what? 56. Okay. Now come to what? Question number 15. So question number 15, what is there? The population of an India state is what? 8 crore. If it increases by 2% every year, then find the population of the state after 1 year. So it is like question number what? 13. So let us solve. So write the current population of the Indian state. Right, question number it is what? 15. Right. The current population of India state is what? 8 crore. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, 8 crore. That means what? 7 zeros. 8 after 8, 7 zeros. Okay. Now what? Now percentage of population increased every year. Right. Percentage of population increased every year. How much given? 2% of what? Total. 2% of what? Total. That means what? 2% of 8 crore. Okay. 2% of what? 8 crore. Then that is what? It will be what? 2 by 100 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now cancel 2. This 2 you cancel. Okay, then remain what? 8 2s are what? 16. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is what? 16 lakh. So it is what? 16 lakh. Okay. So what percentage of population what increased? It is what? 16 lakh. Okay. The question is that what? Now what? Now the question is that find the population of the state after 1 year. So after 1 year it will be what? So what population of the state after 1 year will be what? Current population plus what? Increased population. So write population of the state after 1 year. Therefore population of the state after 1 year will be what? Current population plus what? Plus increased population. What? Increased population. Okay. So current population was what? 8 crore plus what? Increased what? 16 lakh. Okay. So it will be what? 8 crore 16 lakhs. So I can write like this. So if I add, then what? 8 crore 16 lakh. So you see, so what? It is what? 8 crore 16 lakhs. Okay. So I can write this one what? Like this. 8 crore 16 lakh. 8 crore 16 lakh. So that is the what? Answer. 8 crore 16 lakh is the what answer. So 8 crore 16 lakh can be written what 8.16 what 8.16 crore 8.16 crore. So same. Now come to question number 16. A company used 75% of its profit. What? A company used 75% of his profit to buy a new machines and raw materials. To buy what? New machines and raw materials. Okay. If this amount to 85,071, then find the total profit of the company. That means what? What? A company what? Do a business, and from this business the profit whatever he get from this profit 75% what he uses what to buy what the machines, okay, the raw materials and what the things whatever needed for what business. And if this 75%, so if he use 75% of the profit, then this amount is this 75% of the profit amount is equals to what? Rupees 85017. Okay, then what we need to find the what? Find the total profit of the company. Then I need to find the what? Total profit of the company. So it is very easy. So right, let the total profit of the company be X. So right, let the total profit of the company, let the, so it is what question number 16 or 17? 16. So right, let the total profit of the company be what? Rupees X. Rupees X. So what? So according to question it will be what? So what? According to question it will be what? 75% of the total profit. Okay. So according to question what? 75% of the total profit is equals to what? 75% total profit is equals to what? Rupees 85071. Rupees 85071. So what? So I can write what? 75 by what? 100 of means into, and total profit what I let the total profit of the company be what? X. So it will be what? X. It will be what? Rupees 85071. Okay. Now from there if I cross multiply, then 75x by what? 100 will be what? 85071. Okay. So if I cross multiply, then 75x will be what? 85071 into what? 100. So this will go, I shall what? Cross multiply to find the value of what? X. Now what? X will be what? 85071 into 100 divided by what? 75. Divided by what? 75. So what? Divided by what? 75%. Okay. So if I divide, so one thing you do here, it will be a bit small. Okay. So one thing you do here, one thing, that is what? Before that, okay, from there you do again. I shall make it less. 75, how much? 325 just 75, and what? 425 just what? 100. So it will be what? 36 by 4 will be what? Rupees what? 85 or what? Rupees 85071. 85071. Okay. So now it's very easy. X will be what? 85071 into 4 by what? This 3 will come here. Now cancel this one with 3. Okay, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9. So 3 2 jar 6, remain what? 2. So 25. 3 8 jar 24, remain what? 1. 10. 3 3 jar 9. Okay, remain 1 what? Here 17. So 3 5 jar what? 15. Remain what? 2. 3 7 jar what? 21. 2 8 3 5 7. Okay, 2 8 3 5 7. So come from there, you come here. Okay, so what? It will be what? 2 8, x will be what? X will be what? 2 8 3 5 7 into what? 4. Okay, 2 8 3 5 7 into what? 4. So 2 8 3 5 7 into 4, you multiply, you will get the what? Answer. Four 7 jar 28, handmade to 5 4 jar 20, 21, 20, sorry 5 4 jar 20, hand to 22. Okay, handmade to what? It is 22. Now what? Again remain 2. 3 4 jar 12. 12 plus 2, it is what? 4. 14, hand remain what? 1. Then 8 4 jar 32. 32, then hand 1 33. Okay, remain what? 3. 4 2 jar 8, 9 10 11. 1 1 3 4 2 8. 1 1 3 4 2 8. So write what? 1 1 3 4 2 8. Okay, so 1 1 3 4 2 8. Okay, you write here rupees. Okay, now what we found? What? X equals to 1 1 3 4 2 8. So what? Find the total profit of the company. Therefore total profit of the company equals to what? 1 1 3 rupees 1 1 3 4 2 8. That is the what? Answer. Okay, now come to question number 17. So question number 17, what is given? You see, question number 17, a man left 25% of his money to his mother, 55% of his daughter, and remaining 9,000 to his what? Brother. How much money did he leave? Find the shares of his mother and what? Find the share of his mother, share of his what? Find the share of his mother and daughter. So first what? We don't know the total money. So let us find what? Let us find first the total money. So then what? Then we shall find what? 55% of the total money, and from this 25% we can find what? All the answers. So see, so right, let the total money of the man be X. Right, let the total money see, question number 8 is what? 17. Let the total money be rupees. Let the total money be rupees X. Let the total money be what? Rupees X. So what? Now what? According to question I can write what? According to question I can write what? 25% of his total money. That means what? 25% of what? Total money X. If I add, then what? It is given to his what? Mother. Then 55% to his daughter. That is what? 55% of total money given to what? Daughter. And remaining 9,000 given to what? Brother. So these all if I add, then I shall get the what? I shall get the total money. And the total money what I let X. Okay. So once again you see 25% of the total money given to what? Mother. 55% of the total money given to what? 55% of the total money. Total money what? We let it X. And 9,000 given to what? Brother. So if I add all together, then I shall get the what? Total money. Okay. So right now we solve this one. So 25% of 25 by 100 into what? X plus what? 55 by 100 into what? X. Okay. Plus what? 9,000 equals to what? X. Plus what? 9,000 into X. Now what? Now you can cancel 25 1 are 25, 25 4 are what? 100. So if we cancel this one with what? With 5. Then 5 11 jar and 5 20 jar. What? 5 20 jar. Okay. So now you can write what? X by 4 plus 11x. 11 into x what? 11x by 20 plus what? 9,000 to what? X. Okay. Now what? If I take LCM, of this part, okay. So you just keep this part exact. Just solve this part. Okay. So if I take LCM 4 and 20, or make the what? Or make the what? You first make the denominator what? X by what? X by 4. Okay. So one thing you can do what? You make the denominator same. Okay. So if you want to make the denominator same, then what? You can multiply what? Here 5. Okay. 4 5 are 20. So here what? X by 4 into what? 5 into what? 5. How this 5 came? Because I want to add this to the, okay, what? I want to add this to x by 4 and 11 x by 20. So what? I make this one as like fraction. Here 20 is the what? Here 20. So here 4 is there. So I am making it is what? 20. So 4 5 are 20. So if I multiply here 5, then I need to multiply here also 5. Okay. Plus what? 11x by what? 20. Now it will be easy to take what? LCM. So here one thing you can write, making the denominator equal. Making the denominator equal. Okay. Making the denominator what? Equal. Okay. So if I multiply, then what? It is 5x by what? 20 plus 11x by what? 20 plus what? 9,000 equals to what? X. Okay. Now what? Now I can take LCM. Now what? Now I can take LCM. Okay. So LCM will be what? 20 20. So LCM will be what? 20. And if I add this one, then 5x plus what? 11x equals to what? Plus 9,000 equals to what? X. Okay. Now what? 5 plus 11 is what? 16x. 16x by 20 plus what? 9,000 x. Okay. Plus what? 9,000. Now what? Now so what? One thing you do what? Now what? Now you take this x here. If you take this one here, then do like this x minus, if you take this one here, then x minus 16 by what? 20. Okay, x minus what? 16 by what? 20. What? X minus 16 by 20. And this one you just keep. Okay, so here what I have done, just 9,000 I kept, okay, here, and this one just I have removed here. I kept this one on the right side. Okay, so now you solve. So again, if you take LCM, okay, so now take, so if you take LCM, then 20, okay, then 120 is at 20, so 20x minus 16x, 20 by 21, 1 into 16, 16x, equals to 9,000. Okay, now now 20x minus 16x, it is 4x. Okay, 4x by 20 equals to 9,000. Okay, now cross multiply. If I cross multiply, then I'll get like this: 4x equals to 9,000 by 9,000 into 20. Okay, now x will be 9,000 into 20 by by 4. Okay, so here I cannot write, let me write here. So x will be x will be 9,000 into 4 by 20. Sorry, 9,000 into 20. Wrong. 9,000 it is into 20 by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So x will be 5 9s are 45 and 3 zeros 45,000. That means money left 45,000. So how much money did he leave to all? That is 45,000. That is the total money he gave to his brother, daughter, and to his mother is 45,000. Now among this 45,000, 25% of his money to mother. Now now write money left with mother. Okay, now write money left with mother. Therefore money left with mother will be 25% of 25% of the total money, that is rupees 5. So this one you write, therefore the total money equals to this one. So write money left with mother equals to 25% of 45,000. Okay, that means 25 by 100 into 45,000. 2 zeros cancel. Okay, now 25 into 45. Okay, so 25 into 45, multiply. 5211 1125. Okay, so money left with his mother 1125. 1125, 10 is there, so 11250 rupees. Okay, 11250 rupees. Now money left with his daughter. So here is, so there is no space, you write here. Therefore money left with it is given with his daughter. Daughter will be it is 55% of total money. Okay, 55% of total money. So 55 by 100 into 45,000. Okay, so it will be 0 0 0 0 cancel. Now 55. Now what? 55. So earlier you have done 45, now 55. 45 into what? 55. What? 55 and 45. 1 0 is there, I shall add later on. Keep 0 now, okay? 5 5 jar 25, handyman 2, 5 5 jar 25, 26, 27. Okay? Now 4 5 jar 20, remain 2, 4 5 jar what? 20, then 22. 5 7 4 2, 2 4 7 5 0, 2 4 7 5 0, 2 4 7 5 0, 2 4 7 5 0. Okay, so that is the what money left with what? His daughter. Now if you add all these things, you get the same answer. Now if you add 2 4 7 5 0, then 1 1 2 5 0, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, then what? Then 9,000. So if you add this one, this 3, then you will get what? 45,000. So here you write rupees. Rupees, okay? Now exercise question finished. Let me check. Yes, high order thinking is there. So it is the last question for today. So what? A 60-liter tank was full of oil. A 60-liter tank was full of oil. Sham used 40% of it. That means what? A 60-liter tank. The tank was what? 60 liter, and it was what? Full of oil. The tank was what? 60 liter, and it was what? Full of oil. Sham used 40% of it. That means what? Sham used what? 40% of the 60 liter tank. Okay, 40% of the oil what? Used by what? Sham. And poured the rest into 40 liter tank. And after using 40%, whatever remained, the amount of oil whatever remained, he what? Poured into another tank, which is of what? 40 liter. Understood? Now the question is asked, what percent of the 40 liter tank was filled with oil? What percent of the what? 40 liter tank was filled with oil? Number 2, if Sham used 3 liters of oil daily, what percent of the oil in the 40 liter tank would be used in 10 days? So see. So first you write what? So first you write capacity of the first tank. There were 2 tanks. One is what? Of 60 liter and another what? 40 liter. So write the capacity of the first tank. It is what? 60 liter. So write. Question number 22, high order thinking. This is the last question. So here you see what? So that capacity of the first tank. Capacity of the first tank, first oil tank. Okay. So capacity of the first tank is what? 60 liter. Given 60 liter. 60 L means what? 60 liter. Okay, 60 liter. So liter you write 60 liter. Okay, now what? Now amount of oil used by Sham. Amount of oil used by Sham is what? 40% of 60 liter. So write amount of, therefore amount of oil used by Sham will be what? 40% of total oil, that is what? 60 liter. Because what? From what? He used what? 40% from the what? 60 liter tank. So 40% of 60. It will be what? 40 by 100 into what? 60. Cut zeros. Then this 0 also, this 0 you can cut. 24 liters. 24 liters. Okay, 24 liters. Okay, now what? Now amount of oil left So amount of oil left will be what? 60 minus 24. So right, amount of oil, therefore amount of oil left will be what? 60 minus 24 liter. Okay, 60 minus 24 liter. Okay, amount of oil what? Left. So it will be what? 60 minus 24, 10, 4, 6. Then it is what? Here remain 5. 5 minus 3 it is 2, it is 6. So 36 liter. It is what? 60 minus 4, it is what? 36 liter. Now let us come to question. What percent of the 40 liter tank was filled with oil? What percent of the tank was filled with what? Now come to one. What percent of the 40 liter tank was filled with what? Oil. Right. What percent? We need to what? Find the percent. So right, percent of 40 liter tank filled with, right, percent of 40 liter tank percent of 40 liter tank filled, okay, will be what? You see, in 40 liter tank how much was there? In 40 liter tank what? 36 was there, because from total I subtracted. Okay, so what? 36 was there. Okay, so it will be what? 36 by 40 into what? 100%. Okay, so like this you write one time. Okay, 36 by 40 into 100%. Okay, now cancel, 0 0 cancelled, then 4 9s are 36, then 9 into 10 it is what? 90. Okay, 90 liter, 90 liters. Okay, 90 liters. What is it? What percent of the 40 liter tank was filled with oil? What percent of the 40 liter tank was filled with oil? The 40 liter tank was filled with oil what? 36 liter. So what percentage of what? Sorry, it is what we got what? 36 liter means what? 90%. Okay. Now what? Now question number 1 is what? Finished. Now question number 2. If Sham used 3 times of oil daily, that means what? If Sham used what? 3 times of the oil daily, then amount of oil used will be what? 10 into 3. If 3 times what? If Sham used 3 times of the oil daily, then what percent of the oil in 40 liter tank would be used in 10 days? So what? If 3 liter he uses daily, then in 10 days what? 30 liter. So right, since Sham used right, since Sham what? Sham used 3 liter of oil, 3 liters of oil, 3 liters of oil in how many days? 3 liters of oil daily. Then amount of oil will now what? Then amount of oil will be used in 10 days will be what? 3 into 10. Okay, it is what? 30 liter. Okay, 30. 3 into 10 it will be what? 30 liter. 30 liters. Okay, what? 30 liters. Now what percentage of oil used in 10 days? Okay, now what? Now write percentage of, therefore percentage of oil used in, percentage of oil what? Percentage of oil used in 10 days in 40 liter tank. Percentage of oil used in 10 days in 40 liter tank will be what? In 40 liter tank, how much oil was there? It was what? 36. It will be what? The total was 36. So from 36 what? He out of 36 uses in 10 days what? 30 liter into what? 100%. Okay? Into what? 100%. Now what? Now cancel with 30. 3 10 jar, 3 12 jar. Okay? Then we'll cancel this one. 5 2 jar 10. Okay? And 2 6 jar. Okay? And what? 2 6 jar. Wait, what is there? 36. Let me do again what? 30 by 36 into what? 30 by 36 into 100. So if I cancel, with what? 3, then 3 10 jar. Then this one if I cancel with what? This one if I cancel with what? Then 3 12 jar. Now this one I can cancel, keep this 10. This one I can cancel like this. 6 2 jar 12. Okay? Or with 4 you can cancel. 4 3s are what? 12 and 4 25s are what? 4 25s are what? 4 25s are 100. Now what remain? Here it is what? Percent. Now what? 10 into 25 by 3 is what? 250 by 3. So now what? Now you divide it, you get the answer. So if you divide it, then 250, okay, by 3. If you divide, then 3 8s are what? 24. Remain 1. Okay. So 0. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Remain 1. So what? So it will be what? If you take into what mixed fractions, it will be what? It will be 3, then 83 by what? 1. 83 1 by 3. 83. So 83 what? 83 1 by. So answer is what? 83 1 by 3 liter, because we are dividing what? 83 1 by 3. Okay. So the answer is what? 83 1 by 3. Wait. So this is the what? Required answer. Okay. 83 1 by 3 is the what? Required answer. Okay. So 83 1 by 3. And what? We need to what? And we are finding what? Percent. So it will be what? Percent. Okay. Now what? Now, yes, now it is the end of exercise 9B. So today up to this, and if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.